Meet your Toyota technicians. They're factory trained and certified, which makes them the experts you want working on your vehicle because they work on Toyotas every day. Technicians you can trust at your local Toyota Service Center. Toyota Service Centers have factory-trained technicians who use genuine Toyota parts. Book an appointment today.
Put your trust in Toyota Service Centers.
What's for lunch?
Gas station sushi.
I wouldn't trust that.
Oh.
It's pungent.
With certified technicians and genuine Toyota parts, you can come in with confidence and leave with peace of mind. Toyota Service Centers. Keep your Toyota a Toyota.